Baba emptied whole file, 100, like a popcorn you put. And then, now these two scientists started shivering. They were under impression now, this man will have a conversation, his eyes will come out, his tongue will come out, his hand will be to the left, legs will be right, and now we can't escape. They can't get up also. Well, the taximan was a local. If the taximan doesn't go, they can't run. There's no place to go. It's surrounded all mountains. At least 100 kilometers nearby, there's no other village. Where to go? So they started shivering. He asked him to vomit out, ask him to vomit out. But Baba was in own kingdom. In all condition, I am bliss, bliss, bliss absolute. And he polished all 100 capsules. Now out of these two, one made a long prostration. Swami, please forgive me. Baba has nothing to do, forgive or not forgive. He is not happy, he is not unhappy. He has got no joy, he has got no unjoy. Because he is all excellent. He is not to strive and struggle. What a beautiful thing. This young man, a gentleman, all the way from the United States, said he removed his old clothes, his only underwear, asking, Baba, give me one of your clothes, I'll be your chela today onwards. He's still alive. Go to New Mexico, he's got Hanuman temple. All day this man is singing Hanuman Chalisa. What a great thing. Why I'm telling you? The power is within you. Power is not outside. But unfortunately, we make a desire to have from outside. Desire means that which is lacking within you, you are not with that. You are absolutely absent of it, so you want a presence of it. But it is a very much presence, and will you get it? How you can do that? So, to have a desire, you must know a real state of the absolute. Now, is the desire essential or not? The moment you desire, you are out. You cannot have an excellence. Because desire will break down the power of excellence. Desire means a division of the mind. Mind, when is established in the Supreme, and your desire means you pull it down, pull it to the external, where this excellence is an eternal, internal, depth, beauty, power, wisdom, whims, vigor, joy, bliss, superiority. And here is all inferiority, because you are just making a gathering of some pebbles in the sand. Then what to do? No more desire. How is possible? Repeatedly thinking, having a desire from the home or having a desire for the moksha, desire is a desire. If you are thinking the desire of the liberation, that I should meditate upon the God and God should come and bless me, that also is a desire. Your desire should not be there. If the God has got tran vakhat kharaj avti to I don't care for you. I don't meditate upon him, let he meditate upon me. Again, that also is desire. No desire, just keep empty. The more you are emptying yourself, more you are filling yourself. That very essential thing. Oh, this our so-called Bhagavatam has got wonderful stories about it. And Krishna has made a Chir Haran. What is it, Chir Haran? The gopis are having a bath in a river, and the Krishna, a baby boy, 6 years, 7 years boy, taking away all clothes and going to the tree. Is it the story? No, that's not that. That gopis are sadhakas. Gopis are the lovers of the truth. Gopis are the lovers of the purity. Gopis are the lovers of the character. Gopis, those who want to ascend the spirit. That is the character of the gopi. Go, Indriya, Pi. Those who dive deep in the beyond senses, the eternity, they are the gopis. So what they are saying, they want to have Krishna. They want to have grace. But between this Krishna and grace is obstacle. Is so many clothes. What is it? Lust, anger, greed, jealousy. These all clothes are there. So unless and until you are free from the lust and anger and greed and jealousy, mushkil hai bhai. Ye to bahut hai. How you can see? You have to remove the cloth. But the cloth is there in between. You can't see me, I can't see you. Unless and until you remove the cloth. So you become a nude in front of him. Nude means open your own self. Open your own self. Don't hide yourself. Don't make any hypocrisy. The whole problem is a hypocrisy. You see, when you see another place, I have read it, something very interesting, that he said so, a gentleman, he wanted to have peace. So he wanted to look around, that when I go everywhere, if someone is a peaceful or not. But look here, the problem is there, no one is having the real face. All faces are painted face. You know the mask? Narendra Modi, mask people, they put it. So many times they put number of masks. In Goa, they put some different mask. When some funfairers are there, make a tiger ka mask. And so you don't know people are having a mask. What time people will change their mask, you don't know. They look so beautiful, but within that, they are stupid. A bodyguard also can kill. Indira Gandhi ji ko maar diya. So it's difficult. So when you want to know the reality, reality is far distance. Reality is a problem. Because reality is, everything is unreal. You have to scratch. And how to scratch? Because you don't know whether you are having your reality or you are wearing a mask. In our own self also, are we living a life with a reality? Are we living a life with real things? A person who talks to you, you look so beautiful. समझना चाहिए मुश्किल है कुछ गड़बड़. I hope you must know the story of a Panchatantra. A crow had a cake in the mouth and sitting on the tree. A jackal came. Dear darling crow, you see, so many days I have never heard you singing. I went to Saptak all 10 days. Bloody no one was singing like you. I was so much disgusted. So I came hunting of you. Why can't you sing? Crow came, and they kicked down. He said, thank you. What happened? You sing, I am going. What is that? When someone is praising you, think you are in a problem. Because he must be having some purpose. Hidden. This hidden is very essential to know. That when we want to the excellence, this hidden matter droops you down. Our whole life is like an iceberg. 1/10 up, 9/10 down. Bada muskil hai. One day, one gentleman, an engineer, I have not seen him since 2 years. He brought one young lady, maybe 17, 18 years young. Swamiji, you should give a chance to sing this young lady. Oh, she sings so well in your ashram. Gana sunao. How can I sing? There is no mic and no accompanist. And for whom I am supposed to sing? I say, okay. When something is there, you go. You cannot sing like that. You should be very open, spontaneous. That very moment. No, any hindrance in between the reality. This faces, the painted faces, mask, unfortunate, that has become a life of ours. And because of that, we can't excel ourselves. We are moving in a darkness. We're moving and we break our head because we don't see the reality. When you go to the government office, my experience with the ministers in a cabinet in Delhi also, Swamiji, oh Swamiji, your darshan here, oh, they will make a dandavat pranam, lamba hoke pranam karta hai. And then Swamiji, you should, I'll be very happy to receive you at my home, Swamiji. Please, I will be sending a car to you. Where do you stay? And husband and wife will serve you a dosa in a silver plate and everything. But they will not work for you. No, they will not work. You should have telephone. Your telephone is not necessary. Your sevak must have telephone. Aapka nahi, aapke liye, yes, Maharaj, of course. Bahar jaane se bolega, sala bewkoof hai. This is what the reality. You can't trust. You cannot trust. All the world has become in a bundle of the hypocrisy. I have seen a heap of the ashram. I had a charm of serving for full 14 years in the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy Administration in Mussoorie, where the IS boy used to take a training. Indian Foreign Service, Indian Forest Service, Indian all these revenue services, all the boys come there for Union Service Public Commission. We did director, extraordinary man. But the lady was powering more. the first lady of the institution. So one day she was saying, Aruna Mataji, it was a big lounge was there. In the lounge, she was asking to all Mahila Mandal, I love to sit in a corner outside in a gallery from where I can see the all panorama of the Himalayas and I used to enjoy about it. The Aruna Mataji is talking about it. You see, my husband was going to Delhi in a helicopter, and there was a room also, they took me there. When I so enjoyed, oh no, he had his business. I went to the Chandni Chowk. Oh, and then look this, how nice this, huh? This wall piece, Daddy, he was talking about a 50,000. I made a bargaining. Look, I brought only 32. So much money out. How do you find it? And people will say, hi Aruna, it's so nice, so lucky. Hi, your husband is so nice. He's taking in helicopter. हमारा तो खड़ूस है, कहाँ जाता है देहरादून तब भी बताता नहीं है. They all will be talking like that. And when Aruna is not out, बड़ी चिबावली बनती है. क्या समझती है? 32,000 लगा दिया. 2 रुपए का मिलता होगा. Where to go and stand? You put your hand and hanging on the neck of the people. You hug them, you kiss them. Is that reality? Or in the absence you are talking something is reality? Whole building of so-called beautiful thing is all taas ka khele. The playing cards, they make a beautiful castle. You blow, it will all come down. This all hypocrisy is so much of in the society, you cannot work reality. So when you want to do a real work in a real matter, so much an excellence in the work, then you just don't depend upon anyone. What the world is doing, let them do. You do what you are supposed to do. You trust your own self. And there also I would like to tell you, be true to thy own self. Many a time you are cheating your own self. You don't know whether you are loyal and faithful to your own self. It's very essential to excel in the action, be true to thy own self. Whether I am not cheating my own self. You just make an analysis, as I have told you, every day to dive deep and then to see what can I do myself. What's the reality? What's the eternity? What's the purity? That repeated experience will make you a transparency of the life. Transparency is a need of the hour. Not this so-called a painted faces. Not this so-called a mask on the faces. This is what when you desire, then you should desire not from the external, but from the reality within you. That's a desire is a must. And then there will be no desire because you are become one. As I have told you, you put little sugar and mix in the water, that there is a sugar and it's gone, finished. Like this, when you die, when you miss that so-called ego of the individual self. Ego of the individual self should merge in that. Krishna says, I pull your ego. It's very essential, to pulling down. The flute is for what? Flute is for what? Is that emptying yourself. Krishna said so, to emptying. Yellow silken robe. Peacock feather on the top. I love you, Krishna. Why you love Krishna? Because there was no hypocrisy. He was what he was. Just total. Correct. Adherent to the truth. Simplicity. Talking about the simplicity is not the simplicity. Total simplicity is really in the practice. Duryodhana ko meva tyagyo saga vidur ghara khai. Very essential factor. Duryodhana ko meva tyagyo. Duryodhana was there very much to say, come to me, come to me, come to me. No, he said so. I am not your friend. When Krishna actually went to, as an ambassador to find it out, that in case you don't want to have kingdom, give only 5 villages. Then Duryodhana went to receive, come to my place. I have got a big place. I have got a big palace. Do it. Got no interest. Reality. I don't know how many of you know about the Saint Francis of Assisi. He was invited by His Holiness Pope. Someone told His Holiness Pope on those days that there is a living Christ. We should invite him for a lunch. And then he says, okay. Was invited. Huge big table was there, almost 40 feet long. Some 400-500 items were there, varieties of champagne, varieties of cakes and toffees and cookies and fruits, juices, everything was there. St. Francis came, he looked like this. Everything. He moved about. He seen the gorgeous chandelier, big wall posters, big lights, grandeur, cushions and carpets, and very beautiful chairs, cladded with gold and studded with the gems. He looks everywhere. Then he went to His Holiness Pope. Excuse me, I am just coming. In case you want to start, you start. I am just coming. The poor Pope was sitting like that. St. Francis went out, where he went to the city of the Vatican. There, when they are making sandwiches, they cut the side of the bread. When they cut the side of the bread, they throw it away. Nowadays they don't throw, we'll make a crumbs out of it for the soup, tomato soup. Yesterday they throw it away. So this St. Francis of Assisi, he collected all the crumbs. And with thrown, rotten away some hand napkins. In that paper napkin or thrown that crumbs, he collected. And he came to the Vatican. May I permitted to eat this? Most worshipful and revered His Holiness Pope was not able to understand what this man up to. But he sat in the corner of that, not using the table, nor the chair, nor the crockeries. This is a Aam Admi, the real Aam Admi. In middle of this, also he is given up. And he sat in. Poor Pope, he was not able to. Pope had a courage, they say so, to go and ask, may I get one piece out of this? This is a Pope made from the Khas Admi to the Aam Admi, that I can sit with you, I can eat with you. Very essential. My master Swami Chidananji Maharaj was born and brought up in a royal family. They used to eat in a silver cup. But he had great love, the Madhva Sampradaya, and his father used to be a management chief and the Tanjore Maharaja, the 200 queens, no children. So my master, Gurudev Swami Chidananji Maharaj used to say, we were the kids in the palace to enjoy that royal way of living a life. But I had a friend, a Harijan boy, a scavenger's boy. I brought him to the house. My grandmother, the gorgeous lady, having a swing, made this boy. My Gurudev's house name was a pre-monastic name, Sridhara Rao. He was known as a Siddha. Siddha's friend has come, made him sit. Again a silver bowl, some eatable was given. Then my grandmother asked, what is your name? You know the name, the poor people have, Chanyo, like that. He said, Chanyo. What your father is doing? He is a scavenger in a municipal corporation. She was just up. Throw this boy out. How dare he can come and sit next to me? This young Siddha at the age of 7, he has seen that throwing away his own friends and snatching away a food from his hand. Throughout his life he kept on repenting upon, and then until he was able to move, every 2nd October he has done Harijan Puja. What is that? To go to the basti, sweeping the floor there, bringing them in the ashram. How you are sitting, we used to make them sit, washing their feet, taking a charanamrita, repeating the mantras, Sahasra Shirsha Purusha, Sahasraksa Sahasrapad, Sabhumim Pradavim Atyatishta Dashangulam. What Abhishek mantras we do for the Saligrama, we used to do for that. Giving clothes today, make them sit and giving a food to them. And when they are finishing the food, my master will go with a chota pattal, thoda prasad de do. Taking a food with, from the Uchista, they left out, sitting in the line they used to take. This is a reality to live like an arm to an excellence in the action. Not merely talking, Sarvam Brahma Mayam Re Re, Sab Kuch Brahma Hai. अरे ब्रह्म है तो फिर उनको दूर क्यों भगाता है? गले से तो लगा. My master Swami Chidananji Maharaj, on those days, was so bad days, on so-called in Uttarakhand. Now earlier it was a Tiri Gadwal. Anyone will give a leprosy when hands becomes like the oozing, the wounds are there, people used to tie them with a tree, they put kerosene and then burn them. This was the condition on those days. My master, Swami Chidanandaji Maharaj, me too together. We went house to house and door to door. I was the very late comer. He was so much earlier. In the time of Gurudev Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj, before 1963, they used to go house to house and door to explain them, please don't do this. This is not a curse of the God. This can be cured. And he will bring all these lepers in Shivananda Ashram. Many a time our Dr. D. Kutty was a trustee. She used to say, स्वामी जी उसके पास कोई नहीं बैठेगा, इतनी बुदबू, ऐसा लोगों को वो अपना कमरे में रखेंगे. कुत्ते सड़ गए हैं, घाव है, उनको अपना घर में रखेंगे. When सरदार जी came from Punjab, no one will allow to stand near 10 feet. पूरा शरीर में घाव है, it's all dirty stinking smell comes. He will keep in his own room and he will bring his own fruit, his own milk, own chapati and give them, he himself will starve. This was the reality. This is the action to lead you to the excel. It is not the hypocrisy. He was not asking a charity. He never wanted to stand as a so-called minister to get a what to do all such things. It was not for the photography that I stand near the leper and get a photograph. No. It was a spontaneous, real action to do that. Socho thoda. His hands had no flesh. It's the only skin and the bones. He's sitting here and writing something. A big mosquito comes and sits. Orissa especially. Swamiji moved in Orissa a lot, I don't know. More than 1.5 lakh disciples he must be having initiated. A big mosquito. You touch a mosquito, mosquito won't go away. He's sitting like this and you can't blow. And he will not do himself. And then you say, ओ जी, छोटा प्राणी है, पेट भर जाएगा तो अपने उड़ जाएगा. What do you think about the excel? Not even that. Many times he will ask to his disciples, ओ जी, आप खाने पर बैठो, you sit down for a food, you have a meal plate, all full plate. When you start eating and someone will snatch away a plate, how do you feel? You feel a big, very, very insult. Then ये छोटा प्राणी है, you allow it to eat. Why you snatch it away? Can you think like that? One day, I found him in our annual function. 3 days he comes like this. He cannot look up. Yawning also. I asked his immediate servant, immediate sevak, immediate brahmachari, what is wrong with Swamiji? I don't know, you go and ask. Since 3 days he has not taken food. So night I went. Sadhana Sapta is morning 4:30 to night 11. Now I am the duty in charge for hold the program. To see that things go smooth. Dozens of speakers from around the globe. And they have to speak. People are coming around the globe to see you. And how you are sitting like that? So I went at night 11 o'clock. Swamiji, it seems you are not very bright, you are not eating, I was told. Do you think we have committed some blunder? Come here. Holding my hand, he went to. This big hall is there, outside is a big gallery. Number of plants are there. You know, the very first day I was presented a plant, is my liking, from very childhood. That wherever I go, I don't ask, give me flower, give me saplings. So I bring saplings to Swamiji Maharaj, putting the lines. Who has brought this? Swamiji, this servant has brought this. From where? From different places. From someone from Muradabad, someone from Haridwar, this is from Agra, this is from Delhi, this is from Lucknow, this is from Ahmedabad, this is from Jhansi. So they are our guests. Yes, Swamiji, they are guests. Touch. How many days the water is not been given to them? I didn't ask anything. I have just done like this. Made a pranam to him. I brought a pipe and I have given water to the whole plant, maybe the 200 pots. Then I brought a water. Swamiji, please. In his Guru Nivas, in his place, he must be having more than 10, 12 people to serve him. But everyone is busy during this annual function. People don't have a time to give. People don't have, even me also, that we get a hardly time to eat our lunch. रात में 12 बजे 1 बजे lunch करते हैं. In such condition, who will think of giving water? But being the head of the organization, he thinks that these plants are also my guest and ashram's guest. Being the head of the institution, if the water is not given to them, how can I eat? Can you think like that? It's very essential, not you and I, it is that this action can lead us to the excellence. Why he has been worshipped everywhere? Uncrowned king of the West. Why Mother Teresa will say like that? Okay, Swami Chidananda is an uncrowned king of the West. He is a born, so-called Saint Francis of Assisi of the Europe. Why he has been known? Because not of the talking, but the behavior. Because of the acting, putting reality in that behavior. Not merely giving a lecture, so-called, this won't help. It's all hypocrisy, it's all show. झुपड़ी में बैठ करके चाय पी के आ गया तो उसके बाद में 3 दफे हाथ धोना पड़ता है, तो रियलिटी नहीं है. When you go to the leper colony, give a hug to them. Not for a photograph and the picture. From feeling oneness with them, then the things will come. You ask your own self that when you get up from your bed, to whom you love, to your wife, to your children, to your mom, to your dad, to your neighbor, to the surrounding, when your love becomes a universal love, that action will excel everywhere. Your love should not confine to the cell, that I love my wife and my children. Love is not to hug. Love is not to kiss. Love is not to touch someone. Love from the core of your heart. We had a very bad earthquake in Uttarkasi about some 22 years before. The morning, 10 minutes before 3, my master Swami Chidananda Maharaj came to my room at about 4 o'clock or so. Adhyatam? Yes, Swamiji. Do you know there was an earthquake? Yes, Swamiji. How do you know? My all books have fallen down from the rack. I'm putting them in order. Oh, good. How is your health? Fine, Swamiji. You see, Ram Swarupji is able to find it out that earthquake was beyond Uttarkasi. Do you think you can go there? Yes, Swamiji. When? Now, Swamiji. Oh, so I'm going down. You can take some woolen clothing also. It was next day to Dasera. Early morning. So it becomes October, November becomes a chill in Uttarkasi. Take some woolen clothing and come down within half an hour and see that take sufficient things. In case you are taking any medicine, keep that because you have to stay for a longer period. Imagine, we went there. We took a film. We are 5 people. 2 of us, we stayed there. 3 came back. I wrote a letter. God has come in this form. And we can serve God in this form at our earliest possible and our best possible. And I made a list what you can give to them. How many varieties of dal and chawal and atta and then candle and matches and hurricane and kerosene and tin shades and shoes and socks and female clothes and everything what I can, namak, hing, jeera, methi, everything. Will surprise. After 48 hours we received a half a dozen truckload of things. All provisions to distribute them. It contains 2-ton bidi also. Mahatmas, they make so much of dum. Don't smoke, don't smoke, don't smoke. But you cannot understand. A person who is staying in a Gadwal, his wife is dead, no problem. His mom is dead, no problem. Father is dead, no problem. But he don't get a bidi, he will die. To him, the bidi is a life. So when you to excel in the action, you have to be in their heart to understand that how they can think, what they need, what is their approach. You can understand themselves by putting yourself in that condition. Then it's possible. Once he telephoned to me. I was in a Missouri. I was hearing that Swamiji is not very bright and he is becoming more and more thin and lying like this. He telephoned that Diwali is your holiday? Yes, Swamiji. I would like to see you come down. So I came down. He was lying on a floor, on a simple cloth. Lying only, he said, how you have come? I told I have come by a public transport. And then at Tonga, why you not come by a academy's car? I say, if I come by academy's car, the driver will miss a Diwali festival to spend along with his family. Oh, that is good. Have you seen a Diwali in the market? Yes, Swamiji. Some sweets are available. Plenty is available. Okay. Crackers? Ah, Swamiji. In your childhood, you used to have crackers? Yes, Swamiji. What are all? I say something moves on the ground, something here, something goes up, number of things. Ah, yes. If we take 100 rupees cracker, I say 100 rupees, nothing comes nowadays, Swamiji. At least 200-300 rupees we spend. What about the sweet? The sweet is available 160 rupees kilo on those days, the best sweet. Sindhi sweet bhandar. Okay, so 500 rupees per person. 160 rupees for a sweet kilo. And rest of the money for a crackers. 500 rupees. How much money you got with you? I got to me money only to go back to Missouri. That's all. Oh, you don't have money. Oh, go to my room. There is a cushion. Underneath you find a book. An envelope must be there. See how much money is there. Oh, Swamiji said 35,000 rupees. Ah, I see. 500 rupees one. So 1,000 rupees two. So 35,000 rupees. How many? 70 people? Yes, Swamiji. Make so many packings of mithai, crackers. Okay. And go to this Lakshman Jhula area or this boatman's Tangawalas chokras, taxi drivers boys. Go and give them. He himself is lying down with a malaria or some sickness since more than 30-40 days, only living skeleton, and thinking, go and give. He says, don't tell anyone that I have invited you. One packet you can bring for me as sample. Distribute all. And then you may go back to Missouri. When you want to excel in the service, widen your love. Make your love a universal love. Make your existence for the whole cosmos. I don't belong to the cell. I belong to the whole. Panchi banu utti firu mast gagan mein aaj main aazaad hu duniya ke chaman mein. The song we sing, we listen. But what's the idea behind it? I belong to everyone. Universal love, universal cosmic pool of beings. Then more and more you become so universal, so open for everyone. The world will be with you. When you say, I hate society, society will hate you. When you say, I love society, society will leave you. When you don't kill the mosquitoes, mosquitoes won't kill you. They don't bite you. They will sit here and they go away. It's my experience. Anywhere you go, a huge big size of the dogs are there. And they are jumping to jump upon you. But when you love the dogs, around the globe, they also can smell that this man not to be injured. If you lose them, they will keep their head here and they look so much of love, scratch my head. This is an experience around the globe. It is you love one dog with so much of love, repeatedly around the globe, dog will know that this guy is knowing it. I hope you must know, you must have heard, you must have read the story of Andrews. That he was a so-called a slave in the kingdom, and then he ran away, escaped from the kingdom, and he went to the forest. There he found a big lion, had a thorn prick in his leg, and leg was so much swollen, having so much pus also in that. He said, so I have to die. Why can't I die after serving this poor creature? So from his mouth, he pulled it out a thorn, removed the pus. He brought some vegetation, and every day he started doing a so-called a medical help to, volunteer service to this lion. And then the king's people were able to find him out. Okay, throw him behind the bar. Find out some lion. They were found it out, the same lion. He says, starve this lion for 7 days. Now big place. Let whole world should come and see that any slave is going away, has to go to this fate. And you realize that this man and the lion came, they were hugging each other, they were kissing each other, and the lion was licking this guy. How it's possible? It's only love. 7 days he was there, he can't kill it out. So, when you want to excel in the action, your action should not confine to the kum. No kukum. That I can do action for anyone. किसी के लिए कुछ भी काम कर सकते without having any interest. मुझे क्या मिलेगा? That's all. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन is this only. That the desire for, you have a desire that we had a wonderful governor here for 5 years, so-called a most respected, marhum, Allah ko pyare ho gaye, Pandit Naval Kishore Sharma ji Maharaj. 13 times he visited our ashram. 30 times he has invited us in a governor house. And half a dozen times he took me in his 4-seater flight to Dwarka and Dausa and Jaipur and number of places. And the last day when he visited, his last time he said, so, हमारे गवर्नर के दफ्तर के लोग बोल रहे हैं, साहब आज आप 13वीं बार जा रहे हैं, क्या बात है? सरकारी लोग हैं, सरकारी ढंग से ही सोचते हैं. अरे हम स्वामी जी के चेले ना ठहरे तो क्या हुआ? ही इज एन इंस्पिरेशन टू अस. सरकार जो कुछ काम करना है वो कर रहे, इसलिए हम आते हैं. अरे हमको तो शिवानंद आश्रम में आने के लिए कोई निमंत्रण चाहिए नहीं, हम तो मौके की ताक में रहते हैं. व्हाट ए वंडरफुल थिंग. Dr. Mayur Patel organized a big conference of the diabetics. World-renowned doctors came. We both were supposed to sit together. Then he made a long praise about me, that you are all here for 4-5 days, 160 countries people. Please visit Shivanand Ashram. And I told, when he came and said, this evening they are having a dinner in our lawn. I am not the host, I am the venue. अगर आप आना चाहें तो, ओ जी, शाम को क्या प्रोग्राम है? महाराज कुछ नहीं है. He says, write down 2 lines on a paper. I scribbled 2 lines on a paper and he came. What is this? What generosity? What simplicity? He doesn't have the governor dome in his head. He has never telephoned me. He has telephoned to Poonam Mataji. Purnima Benji, Swami ji kahan hai? He himself will talk. He doesn't have it. When a sitting on that post also can be so humble, so simple, so noble, so universal, so much of humanity. Your religion is not a Hinduism, is not a Muslim, is not a so-called a touch and untouch. You are born as a human being, the humanity is there, human values are there, then everything goes axle. Then each action of yours will be a beautiful, will be super, but divine. Desire should be that only. That let me be free from I. The I-ness brings a problem. The we-ness brings a solution. So always feel minus this I. As possible as the Krishna said so. That not merely there's a Chirharana, not merely the flute, even Krishna has done a greatest thing in a Rajasuya Yajna. He started washing the feet of the all people. He said, I will be lifting the Jutha Pattal. He left out from the people. What a great thing. What a great thing. Even the Jesus, when he was to crucified, he washed the feet of all the devotees were there. More and more you try to be humble. More and more try to be simple. Tava dasoham, tava dasoham, dasoham, tava das rathe, bhrityasya, 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 bhritya. I am servants. I love to salute Mr. K.K. Nair. What a wonderful soul that he is. How much show that he is running. Number of so-called president came and went, but K.K. Nair is very meticulously keep on running this organization. All 365 days someone comes and speaks here, and you all come and sit here and listen. What is that secret? Because it's committed, dedicated, with the devotion, the discrimination, and then determination. that what, as long as I am breathing, what can I do good to this organization? And then he doesn't need any tip. He doesn't need any special cup of a tea or any flavor. No. That anyone, anywhere exists like this. Sutre manigana iva. All this, so much a beautiful garland is there. In between one thread goes like this. In any of your work, keep your ego out. And keep the Almighty within that. If they keep a God within that, may say Allah, Ahurmasdaha, Jehovah, Jandevastha, Vaheguru, Satanam, Jesus, Moses, Buddha, Mahavir, Rama, Krishna, Durga, Kali, anyone. You just think like that. If the Mahavir will be doing one work, how he will do? If Buddha will be doing, how he will be doing it? If Krishna will do, how he will be doing it? If Mira will do, how Mira will do it? Up to the last breath of the life, keep on thinking like this. I would like to conclude very interesting anecdotes which I have experienced really. A gentleman is still alive, he is 99 years old. His name is a Colonel Madhusudan. Colonel Madhusudan is still alive. Aberfoyle Cottage in Nainital, near Barapathar. He said, so Swamiji, when I was a young little boy, I used to tease people. Teasing means, a lambu, a kana, a langada, a mota, a tingana. Like this. I go on teasing everyone. But even that I used to tease one Swami staying in a temple outskirt of our village. He had a very big beard. I used to take my dog and go to the temple. Babaji, Babaji, my dog's tail is more of value or your beard is the more of value? मेरे कुत्ते की पूंछ ऊंची है, आपका दाढ़ी ऊंची है. Baba never used to say anything. He used to keep quiet. Just keeping quiet, giving a smile to me. Years rolled. He said, so I have done my medicine. I have become a captain in the army. Somehow I started brooding. I have harassed all village people. I must go back. I should ask a pardon of all the seniors. I have harassed you. Then he came back. Madhusudan said so. My mom told me, you go and ask pardon of all people later on. First, you go to the temple that Babaji is dying. Since 15-20 days he has not taken water. He is in a coma. So immediately, I was a doctor, I went there, asked people to move, holding his pulse. 5 minutes. And utmost surprise of everyone, Babaji has opened the eyes. He has given a beautiful smile. Oh, so you have come. I'm very happy. I was simply waiting for you only to come. Make me sit. Make me sit. Everyone had a great surprise. There's this old man waiting for this guy. Then again this old man asked, ask your question, ask. Doctor said, I had tears in my eyes. Swami, please forgive me. I have come here to ask a pardon from you. Swami, please forgive me. This is a stupid question I used to ask. Swami, please, don't be any sentimental. I know your question. मेरा दाढ़ी ऊंची है कि तुम्हारा कुत्ते की पूंछ ऊंची है?